the channel. So we're starting the basement remodeling edition. So we'll just start by cleaning it up, taking out unnecessary things from here. And I just received some wall panels. This will be music room. So the first thing would be to replace the wall panels, replace the carpet, and eventually get better lighting over here. And this is going to be the location for our new segment on the channel, so stay tuned for that, and please subscribe. So let me start with unboxing the panels, and then we can move on to the next step, which would be to also get some LED lights, LED strip for the wall. So we'll just have it go all around the top, and while the wall panels are getting aired, we need to air them so they can expand, and also the chemicals, the smell can go away. So let's do that. Here are the wall panels. I bought 5 pack, hoping it's going to be enough for the entire wall. So let me take them out. You need to air them out. So everything is off the packaging. So I just realized you can also leave them stacked this way, and it's gonna air probably the same way. I went the long ways and took every single piece out. Hopefully that airs better, but yeah, it's good to know that you can just take it off and just leave it as a one pack. So that's easier, because with the wind and how it's blowing, I'm afraid this might end up blowing everywhere. So I just let this air for 24 to 48 hours, and then I can take them in. Before then, I'll get on installing the lights and cleaning up the floor, and before this is ready to install. So first thing will be to run these LED lights. If you haven't watched the video on how you can have your lights on your wall, please, the link will be in the description, check it out. So I'm going to run that one all the way around. So I'll just take everything that's on the wall out, run it around, and then move on. After 36 hours, I took the foam from outside. It looks great now. It's actually puffed up, and the smell is gone. So now next thing would be here's everything. So next thing would be to clean up this area over here, move the seats to the center, then start putting the foam to the wall. I'm going to use silicone and a caulking gun. And yeah, as I was doing the lights are good. So that's one step done. You can just turn them on so we can see. Nice. So next thing would be to, as I mentioned, the foam and cleaning up, and then the foam, and we move on to the next thing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start from this side, and I have the foam panels here. I have a caulking gun with silicone. I know the silicone might damage the wall, but I didn't find a better option. So we'll start from that side, go all the way down, and then do half of the side where the TV is, and just leave the center so we can mount it later, and then do the other side and see how far this takes us. Next we'll be doing the front side, but we'll just do the sides on the left and right and just leave some room because we have to get the TV mounted, so we'll just leave some space for that, and afterwards we can finish up. And we can also do these top parts over here, the bottom top all the way down, and this one over here, this side and the other side. And I think with that we'll be done. We'll just finish up by getting the bottom parts like this one done, and the other side, and we can finish up on the setup.
In your poison.
So now the TV is mounted, we can finish up on this side and all the other small spots after we're done with this side. If you also want to know how you can mount your TV easily and cheaply, check the link in the description. So let's move forward, finish up this side, all the other small spots, and we'll be done. And we are done. Thank you guys for tuning in. Watch out for the next episodes coming out on this segment. Stay tuned, and as always, see you in the next one.